Welcome back to the channel and drop a like on the video because this is a theory we hear a whole heap of people did that talk about even long before the trial start. And somehow it seems as if the defense is also using this as an alternative to prove Noel Maitland innocence. But the people are saying Noel Maitland guilty, and if you want to say justice for Donna Dance and her family, comment justice for Donna Dance. Now, Noel Maitland murder trial continued on Tuesday morning, with a second witness telling the court that she was aware of an ongoing dispute between the defendant's girlfriend, Donnelly Danson, and his child's mother, Kathy Ann Smith. During the cross-examination, which was being conducted by Maitland's attorney, Christopher Townsend, the witness said, who was a close friend to Donnelly Danson. This is not just anybody. This is one of her close friend them where she confide in her. Now, she said yes when asked if it came to her attention that Maitland shared a child with Smith, and yes to whether she was aware that both Donaldson and Smith had an ongoing dispute. Now, why them that bring up this in a court? Be truthful. Be objective. Look upon it just like how the jury would be looking at it. The jury are just regular citizens. The jury not go to school to be a jury. The jury was asked because based on constitution, you have to be judged by your peers. Now, why would this be brought up by the defense? Clearly, I have to make it seem as if Maitland had no reason to want something to happen to Donna Lee. But they might try to make it seem as if somebody else might have had a reason to want something to happen to her. The witness also said she was of the impression that Donaldson could have been on the road on July 12, 2022, the day the social media influencer went missing. Donaldson is presumed murdered and her body disposed of between July the 12th, 2022 and July the 13th, 2022. She was last seen alive at Chelsea Manor apartment complex in St. Andrew, where her police constable boyfriend Maitland lived. Tuesday marked the beginning of week 2 of Maitland's murder trial in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston. In addition to the murder of Donaldson, he's also being tried for preventing lawful burial of a corpse. Now think about this. Based on all the way the jury has heard thus far, even if they don't believe say, or the defense attorneys want the jury to believe say, Maitland is innocent, them can't explain away the cover-up. Remember, these are just witness evidence in a reach forensic setting. Law enforcement, the same law enforcement that he was once a part of, trained just like how them train, do a forensic investigation, and them say them find blood spatter matching that of Donaldson. So keep in mind how him no know nothing about what go on, but this happening in him apartment and somebody try to clean it up. Him no live there. Them a talk about the girlfriend, the baby mother. Well, the girlfriend, baby mother, well, Donna Lee was supposed to be his girlfriend. So I guess his baby mother would have been ex-girlfriend. But the ex-girlfriend and baby mother don't live there. She don't live there. Him live there. So even if he never do it, he may clean up. So if he may clean it up, how him no know nothing? It's impossible. It's impossible for you to come home to your yard, come clean up what seemed to be a murder crime, and you just clean it up and just carry on with your day. And then your girlfriend go missing, and you trained by law enforcement, and you no believe, say, this have nothing to do with your girlfriend going missing. It seems as if Noel plan is to, but it's strange though. While it seems as if the defense want the people to say, as somebody else would have a reason, they not necessarily say, at the baby mother. That is not what the defense is saying. The defense is just trying to create doubt on the guilt of Maitland. The defense now say who do it. That is not the defense job. The defense does not prosecute. Defense attorneys, criminal defense attorneys defend clients. Them not prosecute. It is not their job to say who do it. What is their job to say is that their client did not do it. I could have somebody else. So they may go say anybody else. And based upon where we have heard in the trial, we have heard that she and the baby mother, it never good. The relationship between them never good. So, what that lead the jury to think? Think about it. And as I say, the witness was asked if she got the impression that Donaldson was on the road when she spoke to her friend the last time on the phone. And she said yes. The witness replied, explaining that she formed the opinion because of the cars and the noise that she heard in the background. And the witness confirmed that the last time she heard from Donaldson was at around 2 p.m. on July the 12th, 2022. She remember all the time. She have car logs and everything in modern times. The witness explained that she had planned to collect money from Donaldson in order to go to a corporate area restaurant to settle an outstanding bill. The court heard that Donaldson was supposed to collect the money that had been sent to her by her Bahamas-based father, and she would have given the witness the money to settle the bill. The witness never heard from Donaldson again. So if you all want to talk about Donna League and a foreign, impossible. She just talk to her friend 2 o'clock. She not contact her mother from them time. What I say is rubbish. Her friend talk to her 2 o'clock. She even bring her money to give her friend for pay back a bill. Boy. And now, some people are saying Maitland, like him want to say somebody else do it. Like Maitland want to say, I'm baby mother do it. I don't think that's what Maitland I say. Because Maitland was given the opportunity to say everything. And him said nothing. Maitland said no. So Maitland is not saying that I'm baby mother do it. That is not what Noel Maitland is saying. Noel Maitland is just saying that him no know nothing. Nothing at all. While law enforcement is saying, how can you clean up a crime scene and know nothing? So what happened to the crime scene where you clean up, but you never tell law enforcement about that? Why forensics? You have to go find out that evidence. Why now? Who not try to say? Or somebody else? Tell me what you think. Talk to me in the comment section. The people must say, I'm Maitland. Some people are saying they believe that Noel do it, cover it up, and I try do all different type of things. To try confuse the people, confuse the mind of the jury. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, so pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. If you're new to the channel, so pass through, this is only get stay notified. The comment section 24/7, comment justice for Donna Lee Donaldson in the comment section. Drop a like on the video, share the video, so that who don't know can see it and be aware and know what going on with the updates. Of course, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.